Hey guys, I'm back. Today we are going to be cleaning all the chairs, the rake, the shovel, the cages out of the garden area because we have the tractor's coming. It'll be here shortly. So right now I'm having all the kids take all the stuff out of the garden so we can get the tractor in and get it smoothed out, and then we'll start working in here. My husband went to get fertilizer so we can put fertilizer down. Since the tractor's coming today, it'll help mix all the fertilizer in the compost and the dirt. So I will see you guys back in a minute. Yeah, y'all just grab the boxes and let's just lay them, stack them here. Let's try to do it nice and neat so they're there. And yes, guys, we have an extra kid today. Rain, come say hi. This is my neighbor's son, Rain, and he's going to help us with the garden today, guys. So let's have some fun. All right, guys, and the husband is putting the fertilizer down throughout the garden. So when the tractor gets here, it will be all tractored into the dirt. So we're going to let him finish that, and then I will be back. Still working with the fertilizer. We're trying to get it all in. There's my neighbor's son. He's gonna help. He's gonna learn how to do the fertilizer. He's gonna learn how to garden this year. He likes to help, so he offered to come over and help. So we're gonna let him get some chores in. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, here comes the tractor so we can get some work going. He said he's been working. Here we go, guys. Getting some garden all fertilized. Jack, you go do it? Huh? You said no?
Got all of it? Yeah. Okay.
I guess the kids said they're taking a break for a minute because they're all up there sitting with my uncle for right now. The husband is in the garden, and then we're getting it all tilled up to level it out, and we actually put fertilizer in there so it can get tilled in and it'll be ready to start planting. Alright guys, look how pretty this dirt here looks. I'm going to show you guys what your compost and stuff will look like. Look at this. This is all pretty compost, mulch, and soil that is getting all worked up into the garden. Alright guys, while they are down there leveling out the land, this is my husband's smoker. We're going to open it up real quick before he can see what we're doing, and I'm going to show you guys all the good juicy meats. We got ribs, we got a pork butt, we got ham, and we got more ribs. All this is going to be dinner tonight. Alright guys, I showed you the meats that is on the smoker, and that has been cooking since 6 o'clock this morning while we was all toasty in bed, warm. My husband got up at 6 this morning and started it, and all that's on the smoker smoking while we are out in the garden working. Guys, look how good this dirt right here looks. Look at this. This is awesome dirt to plant in. This is going to be fun. Logan, did you find any potatoes?
No. Yeah. Those are the sign.
You found potatoes a while ago. Find me some more potatoes. Guys, while he was out there smoothing out my land, my son and husband actually found some potatoes growing from last year that was in the garden. Look at these potatoes. Guys, look how good this garden is starting to look. Look at this. All nice and beautiful, and it is ready to start growing. Alright guys, and here we have Logan getting some of the weeds out of the garden. Actually around the tree stump that was here. So Logan is going to blowtorch the weeds and try to get rid of some of them. The thorn vines.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh, there's one right here.
It's already hot out here. With him doing that, it makes it hotter. And Dad's gonna help. Dad likes to play with it too. Alright guys, and I'm going to close out my video. Say bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.